Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and hello if you're new. So for today's video, I wanted to film like some type of productivity video because I have a lot of stuff to do today. We are gonna get stuff done and get our life together today. So right now I'm just sitting in my office. I have my daily plan. I actually showed this in my last video. So I'm gonna start out by making a to-do list of everything that I wanna get done today. First, I know that I need to do laundry. Clean my car, because my car has been disgusting. I need to go to Target to get toothpaste because Evan and I are basically out. So we'll make a Target run, vacuum, fun. Clean the rabbit's cage.
It never hurts.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I definitely want to go through my emails and organize the pictures on my phone because that's something I actually realized. I have like 1,200 emails and I know that's not a lot compared to some people, but I usually like to keep my emails nice and organized. So I need to go through my emails and unsubscribe from like 100 different things because I need to go through my emails and actually unsubscribe from a lot and delete them just because it gives me anxiety not having my emails nice and organized. So I think I want to start out with the stuff that's like outside of our apartment, so going to Target, getting my car washed, just so I can go out and get that stuff out of the way and then we can come back here and be here for the rest of the day. So let's go get our day started. I forgot to eat and have coffee before I left. Don't know how I managed to do that, but I went through Starbucks. I got a bacon sandwich and a large iced coffee. Would this be one of my videos without me going through Starbucks? No, it would not. So now that we have breakfast and coffee, we can go get some stuff done today. So I'm back from Target and washing my car. Also, my dishwasher started, so sorry if you can hear that. So I did end up getting a little bit distracted in Target, which I assumed that I would, but I ended up spending 45 minutes in there instead of 5. So yeah, and I got this. So we definitely need to pick up the pace because it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and all I've done is walk around Target and get my car washed. So we need to, get moving. What I'm gonna do is start a load of laundry, and then I've seen people do this. I'm actually gonna put on a timer for like 30 minutes. Oh, hi. To do whatever I'm doing. So that way it's almost like you kind of feel rushed. You're on a time limit. Like I have 30 minutes to fold all the laundry and clean the kitchen, if that makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is put on a timer for, I'm gonna give myself 20 minutes. And I'm going to wipe down our kitchen and clean the rabbit cage because that definitely needs done. So let's see, 20 minutes. Let's get this done. Guys, I literally just vacuumed, which wasn't even on my plan to do in that 20 minutes, clean the rabbit cage and wipe down our kitchen. And I still have 2 minutes and 39 or 30, whatever, yeah, 36 seconds left to go. I feel like normally that would have taken me like 45 minutes just like sitting on my phone. I haven't even looked at my phone. I put my phone face down and so I could just hear my alarm. But now what I'm gonna do is kind of look at the to-do list, cross off what I've done, and then plan for the next little time segment. Laundry is like my least favorite thing ever. Like something about, well, I think I was gonna say something about it I don't like, but I feel like no one really likes laundry. And also when I've kind of been in a funk or I'm just not, feeling very motivated and I need to get my life together, which is kind of what I'm doing today, laundry does not exist. Laundry does not exist at all. I don't do laundry, I don't fold laundry, I don't put laundry away, and then it piles up. And then here we are. Okay. so we're gonna put this laundry away. I just wanna say, if you're watching this, I know, girl, you probably got some laundry to put away too, so make sure you go put away your laundry, because for some reason, like for me, it's not necessarily doing laundry, it's putting it away that I can never do. So if you're watching this, this is your sign, this is someone telling you, put away your laundry, let's do this together. 20 minutes, let's go. So I finished putting away the laundry with 2 minutes left to spare, and let's go. I am so, like, this time thing, I just feel so motivated. Like, we're getting so much stuff done. I kind of slowed down when I went to Target, but we're making up for lost time. So let's see what we can check off. So I don't think this one's going to be as exciting because you guys can't really see what I'm doing. So you can see my emails hopefully at the top. I have 1,205 in my Yahoo. Yes, I still use Yahoo. Devin makes fun of me all the time for it, but I still use Yahoo. And then in my Gmail, I have 389. So I'm gonna go through here, and I don't know if I want to do all of them. Actually, yes, we're gonna go through all of them. I'm not gonna say that because we are getting stuff done. So I'm gonna go through my emails.
A few moments later.
I'm kind of in a cookie coma, and I really just want to lay on the couch and watch Netflix, but we're not doing that. That's not part of getting our life together. So I'm gonna clean my desk, and then I think I'm gonna do another load of laundry. So I did one, and I felt like one was productive because I even did laundry, but I need to do another. Also, Devin's working from home, and he's working in there right now, and he's gonna be so mad when I walk in. He doesn't like when I'm like in there when he's working, but you know, we gotta clean. So I'll show you guys his face when I open the door. It's probably gonna be funny. All right, yeah, this definitely needs cleaned. Let's fix this. Alright, so I'm sitting on my bedroom floor right now, clearly. But I feel like I got a lot of stuff done today that I definitely wanted to. Let me see if I can prop you guys up a little bit more. Let's do another candle. But yeah, like I was saying, I feel like I got like my space very clean. Like I feel like that's super important. Like when you feel like you need to get your life together, you create a to-do list. Like getting your space clean makes you feel so much better. Even like I did this morning, like getting my car clean, just because like I'd have my like, you know, my apartment nice and clean, and I'd go to do something and I'd get in my car and it'd be dirty and it'd stress me out right away. So I feel like just having like all areas of your, I feel like just having literally every single space that you have clean, your desk clean, apartment clean, or house clean, and your car clean is definitely super important for just feeling better about yourself, just feeling more productive. There's already so many things in life that like you stress out about. Like the last thing that you want to worry about right now, especially like when you're resetting yourself or when you're getting like your life together, the last thing that you want to worry about is like putting your laundry away or cleaning your car. So having that done honestly just feels amazing. So I'm sitting in front of my window now on my floor because I want to do two things with you guys. I want to plan out my week. So this is something that I feel like helps me a lot. Or even just like honestly planning out your month in advance, just like obviously not like every single little activity, but if you have any like appointments or things that you need to remember, birthdays, whatever, just like having it all planned out in advance is also super helpful. So I use my daily plan, obviously, like I showed you guys, for day to day, and then I've actually talked about an Erin Condren planner on my channel before, but I love these so much. I use them for planning out my week and my month. I know it's a little bit extra having two planners, but it really does help me like seeing everything at an overview, and then also like planning out to-dos day to day. Literally having your life planned out as much as possible is going to make you so much less stress, because like I said, you already have so much to worry about. You don't want to have to worry about, you know, what you're having for dinner. So having that planned out in advance is super helpful. So I'm going to quickly, I guess, kind of plan out my week really quick. I'm gonna kind of take some time for myself. Now, I want to do like a full self-care routine, so I'm not going to do that. But I do need to do some stuff like get the toenail polish off of my toenails. But I am going to do my toenails. I'm not going to paint them. I'm just going to take all of the polish off and just put some moisturizer on my feet, just because I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like really dirty when my toenail polish on my toes is chipping. I don't really necessarily mind it as much on my fingers, but something about my toes not being perfect, like it makes me, it's like OCD, like I feel dirty. So I'm just going to kind of take care of my toes, take the polish off, file them, do all that fun stuff really quick. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here because now I'm just sitting again on my floor. I just apparently like sitting on floors. I'm gonna sit here and actually go through YouTube and plan out some YouTube videos. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if there are any videos that you guys wanna see. I also just lit a candle. This one smells so good and so clean. So when I clean, I like to definitely light this one. It's called Sun Washed Citrus by Bath & Body Works, and it smells, I don't even know, it smells so good. It almost smells like kind of lemony, but not too lemony. Obviously this video was more about productivity, getting stuff done, kind of resetting yourself. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any tips that you do to kind of, you know, do a monthly reset or just get your life together, because I think we all need that. So yeah, if you guys do have any tips and tricks, definitely feel free to share them in the comments down below. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.